Discover how 3D printing is revolutionizing footwear design by unleashing artistic freedom. 1. Complex geometries. Designers can now create intricate patterns and structures that were previously impossible with traditional manufacturing methods. 2. Rapid prototyping. The ability to quickly produce prototypes accelerates the design process, allowing for more experimentation and innovation. 3. Customization. 3D printing enables personalized designs tailored to individual preferences, fostering unique and creative footwear solutions. Step into the future of fashion with our innovative 3D printed footwear. Visit 3dshoes.com today.